Good day, fellow citizens and residents. In my capacity as a Chief Education Officer, I address you on matters that are pertinent to the academic welfare of our students. At present, all public and private primary and high schools will remain closed for face-to-face instructions for the remainder of the academic year. This decision, under the advice of the Ministry of Health, was taken as a proactive measure to prevent the further spread of the COVID-19 virus in our schools and to keep both our students and staff safe. The Ministry of Health has also informed the Ministry of Education that the staff, students, and in some cases parents in 4 of our schools who have been in self-quarantine for the past 2 weeks have been cleared to move about the community. We encourage all of our stakeholders to continue to follow best practices by wearing your masks, washing your hands, and observing your distance. Despite our schools being closed for face-to-face instruction, teachers will continue to engage our students in virtual classes on the Ministry of Education's online platform, Microsoft Teams or MS Teams. Each school has been assigned school champions who were trained in the use of MS Teams and will be engaged to assist other colleagues and students with issues that may arise during the use of the platform. In light of this development, all schools are required to adhere to the following guidelines during the period Monday 7th June to Friday 2nd July 2021. There will be no examinations for students in kindergarten to 4th form. During this period, teachers will actively review previously taught work with their students. No new concepts will be taught. Schools will issue work packets or small projects or daily exercise to all kindergarten to grade 2 students. These will be distributed via any medium necessary, such as hard copies, WhatsApp, or the school's Facebook page. Please liaise with your child's school's principals for details. Students from grade 3 to 4th form should be actively engaged online each day with their teachers. If your child does not have a device, then the teacher will send work via an agreed upon medium such as WhatsApp. Teachers of 1st through 4th form students will be guided by their principals regarding the format and content to be used for revision. Parents will be informed via the respective school's Facebook page or WhatsApp if work packets would need to be collected. 5th form students will be guided by CXC CSEC timetable for the administration of their CSEC examination, which now commenced on Monday, 28 June 2021. The final timetable can be viewed on CXC's website, which is cxc.org. Those students or private candidates who are registered for French or Spanish should liaise with your school or tutors for the new dates and confirm the venue for orals. Virtual school, therefore, will officially close for students on Friday, 2nd July 2021. Teachers are required to report to their respective school during the period Monday 5th to Friday 9th July 2021 in order to complete their end-of-term duties. Detailed information regarding teachers' work schedule will be conveyed by their respective principals. Cleaning of schools. Schools will be sanitized and cleaned prior to their reopening. However, parents should continue to encourage their children to wear their mask and wash or sanitize their hands frequently. Also, encourage your child or ward to wear masks properly by ensuring that his or her mask is covering the nose, mouth, and chin. Psychosocial support. Our guidance counselors within our schools would be available to provide the necessary support that students may need at this time. Families that are in need of psychosocial support are asked to reach out to their school's counselors for assistance. Graduation and Thanksgiving services. Primary and secondary schools have tentatively scheduled their graduations or Thanksgiving services. The Ministry of Education is guided by NEOC New York, and therefore more information regarding said events will be forthcoming. In conclusion, I must mention the need to continue to support our staff and students as they seek to finish this year strong. Despite what prevailed last year, our teachers and students continue to work extremely hard and demonstrate resilience. As the saying goes, tough times don't last, but tough people do. We have been in conversation with our colleagues in the Ministry of Education on Nevis. They will provide an update with respect to the way forward for their schools. Thank you for listening, and may God continue to bless and keep us safe. Thank you.